Beavers were once native to the UK before becoming extinct in the early 20th century due to hunting. Now, the Cornwall Wildlife Trust are looking to reintroduce beavers due to their ability to prevent flooding. As the reintroduction is underway, one farmer is keen to keep the beavers on his land.
It would cost us money, and the Environment Agency had no budget to help with that. Whereas these are all things that the beavers just do as part of their natural behaviour. So we began to get this idea of using the ecosystems provided by this animal to actually do what it does best in the environment at no cost. The other thing is if we created a number of features to help hold water here, we'd then have to maintain those too. And again, there's no budget to do that, so the cost would fall on us to do it. So really, we're looking at ways that we can use natural agents to provide the kind of services.
Cheryl Marriott, Conservation Manager at the Cornwall Wildlife Trust, explains how the process of reintroducing beavers began.
We were approached by Derek Gow a few years ago because there was interest. There's just generally been growing interest in introduction of beaver.
Funding for the project is still needed, and Cheryl explains what she thinks the public needs to hear to support the reintroduction.
I suppose they need to be aware of the potential benefits of it. There was a national feasibility study which looked at all the potential benefits and the potential negatives as well, and the conclusion was there's far more benefits than negative impacts. But we've got to be open and honest about any potential problems as well.
Beavers have already been introduced to 2 different rivers in Britain, with the hope of them to make the return to Cornwall by 2017.